It's Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, your trusted source for all plumbing and HVAC needs in South Central Indiana. Today, let's talk about those chemical drain cleaners you see in every store. They promise a quick fix, but the truth? They're secretly wrecking your pipes. Here's what happens. Chemical cleaners use super strong acids or lie to dissolve clogs. Sounds effective, right? But those same chemicals are so harsh, they don't just attack the clog, they attack your pipes too. If you've got older metal pipes, those chemicals start eating away at the inside, making the walls thinner and weaker every time. And if you've got plastic pipes, the heat from the reaction can actually soften or warp the plastic. Not exactly what you want in a plumbing system. Over time, this leads to leaks, water damage, and expensive repairs, way worse than the original clog. And here's the kicker. Chemical cleaners often don't even clear the whole blockage. They just punch a tiny hole through, so the clog comes right back. So what's the safer option? Try a plunger, a drain snake, or even a mix of baking soda and vinegar for small clogs. And if that doesn't cut it, call in a pro like us. We'll handle it safely with zero damage to your pipes. Save your pipes and your wallet. Skip the chemical cleaners and keep things flowing the right way with Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical. Call us at 812-327-8080 or visit us at riverwayplumbing.com.